Global energy markets are on edge as oil and gas shipments through the Strait of Hormuz face severe disruption. Several trading houses, shipping companies have paused movement through the route. Reports suggest hundreds of tankers are waiting in open Gulf waters. The escalating tensions involving Iran, the United States and Israel have rattled one of the world's most critical energy arteries, and the implications are global, especially for India. So what exactly is the Strait of Hormuz? It is a narrow 33-kilometer sea passage between Iran and Oman that connects the Persian Gulf to the Arabian Sea. Nearly 20% of the world's oil supply, around 17 million barrels every day, flows through this route. For major Gulf producers like Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar and the UAE, this is the main export highway to global markets. Choke point shuts down, oil prices spike, shipping costs surge and global inflation risks rise sharply. Which countries are most exposed? India is highly vulnerable. It imports over 85% of its crude oil and nearly half of that passes through this route. China, the world's largest oil importer, depends significantly on Hormuz. Japan sources nearly 3/4 of its oil via this passage. Even Saudi Arabia would face revenue shocks if exports are blocked. In a prolonged disruption, crude prices could move beyond $100 a barrel or even higher, raising fears of a global slowdown. For India, the immediate situation is manageable. Alternative sourcing from Russia, the United States, West Africa and Latin America offers some cushion. But the pressure points are clear. Around 60% of India's LNG imports pass through Hormuz. Unlike crude, India lacks large strategic gas reserves. LPG supplies are also more vulnerable. And every $1 rise in crude prices adds roughly $1.8 to $2 billion to India's annual import bill, fueling inflation and fiscal pressure. Experts believe a prolonged blockade remains unlikely as Gulf economies themselves depend on uninterrupted exports. Yet even temporary disruption in this narrow 33-kilometer stretch can send shockwaves across the global economy. A narrow 33-kilometer passage, but for India, the economic impact could be far wider. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.